What's up, crypto family? Welcome back to Goldrush Crypto Daily. Today we're doing something special, a deep dive into exactly how much money you could make if you're holding 16,821 Kaspa tokens by 2026. And trust me, these numbers are going to blow your mind. If you're already stacking KAS or thinking about jumping in, this breakdown is absolutely essential viewing. Before we dive into the life-changing math, smash that like button and subscribe because we're about to run some serious numbers that could change your entire perspective on this hidden gem. Right now, KAS is trading at around $0.086 with a market cap sitting at approximately $2.3 billion. So if you're holding 16,821 KAS tokens, you're currently sitting on about $1,446 worth of value. Now I know what you're thinking, that's decent money, but nothing crazy yet. But here's where it gets interesting, crypto family. We're still early on Kaspa. This is a project that's flying completely under the radar while building some of the most revolutionary technology in the entire blockchain space. So let's run through some realistic price scenarios for 2026 and see what your bag could actually be worth. Let's start conservative and work our way up. If Kaspa doubles to around 17 cents, which honestly should happen just from basic market awareness, your 16,821 tokens would be worth approximately $2,858. That's already doubling your money right there. If KAS triples to 25 cents, you're looking at $4,205 in value. Still not life-changing money, but we're just getting started. Now here's where things get spicy. At $1 per token, and this is a target that many serious analysts believe is not just possible but probable during the next bull market, your 16,821 KAS would be worth $16,821. That's over 11x your current position. And if we see a true moonshot scenario to $2 per token, crypto family, you're looking at $33,642. From $1,400 to over 30 grand, that's the power of getting positioned early in quality projects. Now let's talk about whether these numbers are actually realistic or just hopium. If KAS hits that $1 target, we're looking at a total market cap of roughly $26.6 billion, assuming the circulating supply stays relatively stable. That's about a 10x increase from today's levels. And you know what? Several Layer 1 coins have already hit or surpassed that market cap in previous bull runs. Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, they've all been there. So while $1 is ambitious, it's absolutely not outside the realm of possibility for a project with Kaspa's fundamentals. Here's what most people don't understand about Kaspa. This isn't just another proof-of-work coin trying to be Bitcoin 2.0. Kaspa is built on revolutionary architecture called the GhostDAG protocol. Think of it as Nakamoto consensus on steroids, allowing blocks to be created in parallel instead of sequentially. In simple terms, Kaspa currently processes 10 blocks per second, making it one of the fastest Layer 1s on the market. This makes Kaspa feel almost like a Layer 2 solution, even though it's a pure Layer 1. Transactions confirm almost instantly, and the network handles high throughput without compromising on decentralization. And here's the kicker. Unlike most modern altcoins, Kaspa is purely proof of work with no premie, no VC allocations, and no insider token dumps. It's one of the few coins in the top 100 that truly embraces fair launch principles. In a market where investors are getting tired of tokenomics designed to enrich early insiders, this gives Kaspa a massive competitive advantage. The development velocity on Kaspa has been absolutely lightning fast. The team consistently ships updates including Rust rewrite improvements, new mining pool integrations, and wallet enhancements. But here's the biggest catalyst of all. Kaspa's smart contracts are rumored to be launching at the end of September. Crypto family, that's literally just few days away as I'm recording this. This major upgrade opens the door for DeFi protocols, NFTs, and complex on-chain applications to finally run on the Kaspa network. We're talking about going from a fast payment system to a full-blown smart contract platform with the speed and security advantages Kaspa already has. Here's another massive differentiator that most people completely miss. Kaspa doesn't rely on roll-ups, side chains, or Layer 2 solutions to scale. It scales natively thanks to its DAG-based structure. That's an absolute game changer. If transaction volume explodes during the next bull cycle, and we all know it will, Kaspa is one of the few chains truly built to handle that volume from day one. No congestion, no high fees, no waiting for Layer 2 solutions to save the day. The grassroots support behind Kaspa has been explosive. We're talking over 200,000 followers across social media platforms, new influencers covering the project weekly, and mining communities continuing to secure the network globally. This isn't just marketing hype, it's real decentralization in action. The community is genuinely passionate about the technology, not just the potential profits. That's the kind of foundation that builds lasting value in crypto. Let me break down these numbers one more time so you can really visualize the potential. Your current 16,821 KS position worth $1,446. At 17 cents per token, you're looking at $2,858. That's a 97% gain. At 25 cents, that's $4,205. Nearly 3x your money. At $1, you hit $16,821. That's over 11x returns. And at $2 per token, you're sitting on $33,642, with Kaspa reaching a $53 billion market cap. Now that $53 billion market cap might sound huge, but remember, we've seen multiple projects hit those levels during peak bull runs, and most of them had far weaker fundamentals than what Kaspa is building. Now, I always keep it real with you, crypto family, so let's talk about the challenges. Kaspa still needs more major CX listings, stronger DApp infrastructure, and better marketing visibility. The competition in the Layer 1 space is absolutely brutal, with Solana, Avalanche, and new chains constantly fighting for attention. There's also the volatility factor. Kaspa has experienced sharp pullbacks in the past, and if macroeconomic conditions turn bearish, even strong projects can take a hit. But here's the difference. Unlike speculative meme coins, Kaspa has the fundamental technology to recover and thrive long-term. Here's something flying under the radar. We're starting to see whispers of institutional interest in Kaspa. Some crypto hedge funds have reportedly begun exploring exposure to proof-of-work assets beyond Bitcoin, and Kaspa's unique architecture is definitely on their radar. If that trend continues, even small allocations from major funds could send serious volume into the KAS market. And once smart contracts launch, we'll likely see a network effect that brings in new users and developers, increasing the token's intrinsic value alongside demand. The development team has also hinted at future upgrades beyond smart contracts, including ZK-proof integrations and privacy-enhancing features. If realized, that could put Kaspa in the same conversation as next-gen projects like Mina or Aleo, but with much stronger decentralization and a battle-tested network already in place. Let's bring it all together, guys. Your 16,821 KS is currently worth around $1,446. In a conservative bull market where KS hits 17 cents, you're looking at $2,858. At 25 cents, that's $4,205. A breakout to $1 puts you at $16,821. And a true moonshot to $2 gives you $33,642. Is it guaranteed? Of course not. Nothing in crypto ever is. But is it within reach if Kaspa delivers on its roadmap and the market heats up? Absolutely. The technology is there, the community is there, and the development momentum is there. What do you think, crypto family? Drop a comment below and let me know your prediction. How high do you realistically think Kaspa can go by 2026? Are you accumulating more at these levels or waiting for a better entry? If you enjoyed this deep dive breakdown and want more data-driven crypto analysis, smash that like button and subscribe. We're just getting started on this journey, and Kaspa's next chapter could very well be its biggest one yet. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research. But if you're looking for projects with real utility, fair tokenomics, and revolutionary technology, Kaspa deserves serious consideration in your portfolio. Thanks for watching, crypto family, and I'll see you in the next one.